Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Infinity Simplify Your Problems. So myself is Farooq sir. So today we are going to learn the concept of psychology, meaning and definitions, and important points related to the what psychology for the point of your TET and CTET examination. So let us start. First, what is the concept of psychology? Yes, see the concept of psychology first. And this concept of psychology, every person has two types of qualities, that is internal and external qualities. Yes, here every person has two types of qualities, that is internal and external qualities. Internal qualities and external qualities. Yes, qualities. A person's external qualities like height, weight, body shape can be observed. So we may easily observe the external qualities of the person like height, weight, body shape can be observed, but internal factors or qualities, internal factors or qualities like feeling, intellect, attitude, emotions, angriness cannot be measured outwardly. So these are the what internal qualities or factors we can say. Therefore, the psychology is the subject. Psychology is the what subject that helps to measure or to know, to understand the what such internal factors or qualities, that the psychology will help you to people to the what to measure the internal qualities of a person. So next, etymological meaning of psychology. My dear friends, first of all try to understand the what is the etymological meaning of psychology. Etymological means what? Word to word. Word to word meaning of what? Psychology. The word psychology was derived from two Greek words. Observe carefully, the word psychology was derived from two Greek words, psyche. Psyche is the first word and logos is the what? Second words. So these are the what? Two Greek words, psyche and logos. Psyche means soul and logos means what? Study. Psyche means soul and logos means what? Study. Thus, study of soul is called the what? Psychology. So in the earlier days or in the ancient days, psychology was studied as the what? The science of soul. Study of soul is called as what? Study of soul is called psychology. The origin meaning of psychology was study of soul. So that is the origin meaning, or we may also be called as what? The origin meaning. See here, origin meaning of psychology is what? Origin meaning of psychology was study of soul, or basic meaning we can say. In early days or in the ancient days, psychology was regarded as the what? Study of soul. Yes, but it was not clearly defined what is the soul is. Listen carefully, dear students. In early days, psychology was regarded as the study of soul. It was not clearly defined what soul is. Some psychologists will not believed at that. Some psychologists are not believed the what study of soul. They have not accepted this definition. So the question arises, what the soul is. The clear explanation of the soul is not given at that time. Hence, this definition was rejected. Yes. Next, study of mind. Some ancient philosophers or some other philosophers or psychologists define the word psychology as the study of mind. Psychology as the what? Study of mind. Psychology as the what? Study of mind. Again, the question arises, what is the mind? Some psychology will again not believe the what study of mind is not a psychology. They have not accepted this statement also. So again the question arises, what is the mind? What is mind is? Next, no acceptable definition was and no explanation about the mind was given. As a result, this definition is also rejected. No acceptable definition was given. As a result, this definition is also what? Rejected. Psychology Next, psychology is the what study of consciousness. William James, the psychologist, in the year 1890, William James in the year 1890 defined psychology as the description and explanation of the what state of consciousness as such. So according to the William James, psychology as the what description and explanation of the what state of consciousness of the person as such. Yes. Then Wilhelm Wundt defined as the science. Again, Wilhelm Wundt defined psychology as the what science of consciousness. This definition was also rejected because some psychologists does not believe the what about this statement. So again the question arises, what is consciousness? So the acceptable definition or explanation is not given. It has not given that the subconsciousness and unconscious state of mind. Only it is dealing with the what consciousness of the mind. So the clear explanation of subconsciousness and unconsciousness state of mind is not given. So again this definition is also what rejected. Now come to the what next definition. Psychology is the what study of behavior. Listen carefully. Psychology is the what study of behavior. William McDowell's 1905 and 1908. William McDowell 1905 and 1908 and 1949 was the first to define psychology as the science of behavior. Who defined the first psychology as the science of behavior? William McDowell in the year 1905, 1908 and 1949 was the first person to define the what psychology as the what science of behavior. According to the what J.B. Watson and according to the what J.B. Watson, study of behavior or scientific study of behavior is called psychology. So what J.B. Watson said, study of behavior or scientific study of behavior is called psychology. So again this is the what the modern concept of what the psychology. This definition of is what accepted from the all the psychologists. So now the psychology is the what study of behavior or study of scientific behavior of a person is called as what psychology. Now categories of behavior. So let us try to understand the what categories or types of behavior. There are the three categories in the behavior, or there are the three types in the behavior. First one is what cognitive behavior. Cognitive behavior. Cognitive behavior means what activities like thinking. It is related to our cognitive abilities, thinking, reasoning and imagining, etc. are the what cognitive behavior. Affective. Second one is what affective behavior. Listen carefully. Feelings, sadness, happiness, angry and jealousy, etc. Once again, affective behavior means feelings, sadness, happiness, angry, jealousy, etc. are the what affective behavior. This cannot be what observable and cannot be measurable. Yes. Next, conative behavior. Conative behavior, that is the behavior motor activities, like motor means what physical activities like walking, swimming, dancing, cycling, jumping. These all are under the what conative behavior. Conative behavior is nothing but motor activities. Motor activity means what physical activities, that is walking, swimming, dancing, cycling, jumping. These are the what conative behavior. Next point, important point, this is regarding for the point of your competitive examination, TET and CET and CET. First, psychology first lost its soul. See here, psychology first lost its soul. Next, lost mind. Now it retains behavior. This comment or this statement was given by or made by what Woodworth. This comment was given by the what Woodworth or made by the what Woodworth. Psychology first lost its soul. next lost its mind, now it retains to the what behavior. This comment or this statement was made by the what Woodworth. Next important point related to the what psychology. My dear friends, let us clear, let us, we will learn step by step important points related to the what psychology. The first point is psychology during early period or during early days or ancient days was studied as a part of what philosophy. In the olden days or early days, psychology is studied as what the part of philosophy. The origin of psychology is from Greek philosophy. The origin of psychology is from Greek philosophy. And etymologically psychology means study of soul. Etymologically psychology means study of soul. And the next point is basically psychology was considered as the science of soul. It's very important. Basically, see the word here, basically. Psychology was considered as a science of soul. And the next point is psychology was considered as the science of seer. The word psychology was considered. Remember this one. Psychology was considered as the what science of consciousness. Science of consciousness. Modern psychology deals with the what science of behavior. Modern psychology deals with the what science of behavior. The term behavior means, see here, the term behavior means individual feelings, attitudes, thoughts, and other mental process which may be behind the what behavior. Listen carefully once again. The term behavior means individual feelings, attitudes, thoughts, and other mental process which may be behind the what behavior. These all mental process are behind the what the behavior of the persons. So this is the what meaning of behavior. And the next point is psychology as a science. It includes here psychology as a science. The word science, I want to clear here. If the word science come, it includes or it contains the what experiments, observations, and measurement. If the word array, if words come, psychology as a science means it includes the what experiment, observations, and measurement. Next point, Wilhelm Wundt, a German physician and psychologist. He was a German physician and the psychologist, founded the first psychology laboratory. First psychology laboratory or institution, we can also say, founded the first psychology laboratory at Leipzig. Remember the name of the university also, it is a very important. Who founded the first psychological laboratory means Wilhelm Wundt founded the what first psychological laboratory. Where he founded the what first psychological laboratory means at Leipzig University. At Leipzig University in the year 1879, and he has been regarded as the what father of psychology. Who is the father of psychology? Wilhelm Wundt has been regarded as the what father of psychology, or Wilhelm Wundt is called the father of psychology. So these are the what important points. So in this video only this much. In the next video, for more learning and better learning, please like and share, subscribe our channel for our next video. Thank you so much.